Agriculture's journey within the two projects started with this figure that we made at the first day. The map shows 3 steps of an archetypical short food supply chain. It starts at the producers, goes through the food processing and ends up at the consumers. The first step is the genetic samples that we acquired from the Center for Plant Diversity in Tapio Szele. They provided those traditional legume varieties, beans and chickpeas and all the others that we used in our cultivation experiments.
The National Center for Biodiversity and Gene Conservation is the largest gene bank in Hungary. It has a significant common bean collection with 5,400 accessions. The number of landraces are 3,100, of which 2,500 are Hungarian origins and the other 600 are from neighboring countries. Here you can see this year's bee nursery, where we keep approximately 800 landraces. The gene bank has provided bean landrace materials for Hungarian users for decades. In this season, for example, we handed out 307 samples of 19 landraces.
We needed professional background for our cultivation experiments, so we went to ÖMKI, which is one of the leading organizations here in Hungary in organic agriculture, and they provided all the information that we and the farmers needed for the cultivation.
We provided guides for the farmers to help the growing of the different bean species. And also we provided data protocols to collect the data during the growing season. At the end of season, these data are gathered by Agriculti and ÖMKI and we evaluate them together. I'm a curious gardener. This year's specialty is tepari bean, which is an extremely resistant to drought. My favorite ones are like the meter bean. They call like meter bean because the capsule are almost 1 meter long in green and in purple color. They are my favorite ones.
In the 3 years of the project, we worked together with 10 producers all over Hungary. These are our partners to grow the beans and to multiply them into kitchen quantities. Together with chefs, we try to make new recipes and try to evaluate the beans in the kitchen, which species or which variety is good for what kind of food.
Actually, I'm working as a journalist in the gastronomy for like 10 years. It's true that I had my own book a few years ago. I'm really happy to participate in a new project again with a cookbook. In Hungary, the beans are a part of our traditional cuisine, but only in a few recipes, and we always cook the same dishes with beans and legumes. And I think it's really it's a big challenge to figure new recipes to put them in our everyday cuisine.
I'm the editor of the Transition Cookbook, and this book is going to be about a lot of other things than just beans. It's going to be about methods, recipes, ingredients, the whole concept of gastronomical sustainability, including obscure methods of fermentation.
So now we are doing a simple Indian dish, aloo matar. The recipe itself is not Hungarian, but the ingredients we're using, we can find them all in the local market. So why not cook something that is not Hungarian and use local ingredients? So here we are, here are our green chickpeas. Looks like, but tastes a little bit different than green peas.